Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Dr. Prasanth. You know very well, accountancy project is a very important part of our syllabus. Kindly watch this video to prepare a colorful and creative and informative project without any errors. You can score 20 out of 20. Never forget, never skip this video. This includes advanced steps in preparation of accountancy project. Watch the entire video. Before moving to the project, you know very well we have four different areas to finish the project. It is first one, you know very well, comparative and common size statement. Another area you can finish segment analysis, and also you can finish a project with the accounting ratio and cash flow. So four important areas. You can watch the entire video to get the systematic steps included in the preparation of project. So first of all, you have to give a colorful introduction like this. A small introduction with the detailed areas of project where you can finish the whole work, and you can complete the introduction within 2 or 3 pages. It includes all the areas, covered all the areas for the project. Kindly watch the video and prepare the finished project. So this is the introduction part regarding that. Second step you can add. See, in this project, advanced research methodology applied. Okay. So need and significance of the project you can give. This is a complete step for supporting you to do a research work also. So need and significance of the project you can add. After that, you know, it's very important the objectives of the project. Objectives of the project also you can give a colorful explanation with the detailed objectives, why we are finishing each objective. Based on your specific area, you can split the objectives also. Then you can finish the scope and limitation of the project. Kindly never skip the video, watch the entire area, scope and limitation of the project. This much explanation you will never get in any other project. Kindly share this project with your friends. This is the part of our research. You know what are the hypotheses we can frame for our project. You know very well we can frame different hypotheses. Kindly attach this also for making your project more productive one. And continuing with the project areas hypothesis, minimum 2 or 3 you can list out as per your area of project. And how will you execute the project? That is the next step you can add. You know very well, by taking a company's balance sheet or a statement of P&L, you can finish all these things. So attach all the materials and steps: selection of the area, visiting of business, collecting the historical information, analysis of financial statement, and preparation of the project report. Starting with the first area, accounting ratio, you know very well, we can give a colorful theoretical overview with the objectives of ratio analysis, its advantages, and also the types of ratios coming as per our syllabus, and the detailed explanation of each ratio, its equations: current ratio, quick ratio, then solvency ratio includes the 5 debt equity ratio, debt to capital employed ratio, summarized notes and its theory you can give for every ratios. Activity or turnover ratio includes around 6 different categories. A detailed explanation you can give for all the different equations and different categories. Never forget to watch the entire video. And profitability ratio includes gross profit ratio, operating profit ratio, profit ratio. So the tools of study included for the project of accounting ratio area: calculation of different ratios. Like, so here I took a company's balance sheet. You can collect the same from Google also. RRIL Limited, the balance sheet of the company is here, and based on the balance sheet, I took the calculation of various ratios. All the details are here. This is the current year's balance sheet. Analysis and interpretation of the area, where you can write with the detailed steps the equations, and by taking the values from the balance sheet, the above balance sheet, you can take current ratio calculation, quick ratio calculation, With the available data, you can do the maximum calculation for debt to capital employed, total asset to debt ratio, profitability, proprietary ratio, then interest coverage ratio also calculated for both the year, turnover ratio also calculated, only limited, working capital turnover ratio, net asset capital employed turnover ratio, fixed asset turnover ratio, and from the category profitability ratios, operating ratio, net profit ratio, all the values are here. Please add maximum detailed step for each calculation, and the results of the above calculation are listed here. What are the findings? You can list the values with a detailed explanation also you can give for each ratio. That is the area, and you can frame some diagrams also if it is possible. And comparative statement, here I took the same company's balance sheet and statement of P&L, that you can Google it and search, and analysis of financial statement, objectives of financial analysis, the tools we can use, the process of financial statement. All these theoretical parts will increase the number of pages of our project. Limitations, it's an introductory part for the comparative and common size statement, and you can add the details of tools of comparative statements and the format also. So from the above balance sheet, I prepared the balance sheet and statement of P&L is there, and from that I finished this comparative income statement, and also attached one diagram regarding the same values, comparative statement of P&L. After that, comparative balance sheet attached, the theoretical part also attached, the steps in preparing comparative balance sheet. The format of comparative balance sheet is here. Also, the solution for the above balance sheet, it is attached for the year 2020-25. Comparative balance sheet is there, and findings of the above balance sheet is here. You can write in detail also for each items, each category. Also, please attach on bar diagram or any other type of diagrams related to comparative balance sheet. You can rearrange the above diagram. Coming to common size statement, you can first add the theoretical part of the common size statement, and based on that, the format also, common size statement of P&L, solution for common size statement of P&L, and it is detailedly given. Common size balance sheet, theoretical part attached, the format of common size balance sheet that you can attach, and common size balance sheet solution is also here attached from the above balance sheet. Kindly note, the equity and liability will come first, and then you can attach the assets area. Then cash flow statement, there the same balance sheet is taken for analysis. First of all, some theoretical parts attached regarding cash flow from operating activity, investing activity, and financing activities here. After that, the format of cash flow statement attached. All these things will increase your number of pages. Kindly attach the solution for the cash flow statement from the above balance sheet. And this solution includes 2 years value, but you please remember, we have to prepare only for 1 year. Only for 2025 you can take. And some findings from the same attached. What is the operating activity net amount, investing activity net amount, financing activity net amount, and the net cash inflow. A small diagram regarding the cash flow is attached here. You can draw this type of bar diagram. Negative values will come down the zero line, and a small conclusion for the whole project is attached. And never forget to attach a bibliography also. So kindly prepare a colorful balance sheet and project. Take more videos from my YouTube channel, Dr. Prasanth Commerce Mentor. You can share my videos with your friends. Definitely you will get 20 out of 20. All the very best for the coming board exam and final exam.